We're replacing screen on a A2681 MacBook today. They don't have Air Pro versions on them anymore, so it's just MacBook. So this is a 2023, late 2023 MacBook, which turns on. Seems like it turns on, but it stays on the black screen. So this is usually an indication that screen has failed. Easy way to check is just pressing the caps lock button and seeing if the light responds back. If it does, usually it's an indication that device is turning on. Let's take the apart. We're almost done with removing the screen, but this is the reason why we tell people get your devices serviced on a regular basis. Even if it doesn't have a fan, rubbish still finds a way inside, and we want to make sure that none of these ones are kind of creeping inside and having the opportunity to damage the ribbon cables. These cables are very thin as a printer paper, and a little piece of sand or I don't know, grain of salt can easily puncture through the cables and may cause the whole screen to go black. What could be the reason why the screen went black. Another replaced MacBook screen. Looks gorgeous. Thank you guys for watching, and if you need the service, all the information is in the description. Get your screen replaced, not the whole MacBook. These Macs are awesome, and every brand new bought device, instead of repaired one, it just encourages the companies to make them more and more fragile. Only 1 year in service and already the screen is broken. Go explain.